meticulously stored, ready for their journey to our customers.
Each stack is meticulously shrink-wrapped, ensuring pristine condition and hygienic protection until it reaches your table. An additional protective lid is meticulously applied, safeguarding each stack for its journey ahead. Automated precision fills each box, ensuring every...
Welcome to the heart of innovation, where raw materials transform into everyday essentials with...
Our journey begins with the careful arrival of raw plastic pellets, the fundamental building blocks of our premium plates. Every single pellet undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the purest, highest quality materials enter our production line.
From inspection, these pristine pellets are swiftly transported into vast silos, awaiting their transformation journey. Expert technicians meticulously monitor every parameter, ensuring optimal conditions for the initial stages of plate production. Within these specialized mixers, virgin plastic pellets are carefully blended with precise additives, enhancing their strength and flexibility. Now, the meticulously prepared blend enters the powerful extruder, where heat and pressure begin their transformative work. From solid pellets to molten perfection, the plastic undergoes its first dramatic metamorphosis under intense heat and pressure. The molten plastic, now a continuous sheet, embarks on its cooling journey, carefully guided by precision machinery. As it cools, the plastic sheet solidifies, transforming from a fluid state into a durable, resilient material ready for the next stage.
Every inch of the newly formed sheet undergoes a meticulous quality check, ensuring flawless integrity before further processing.
Advanced optical sensors meticulously scan every millimeter, detecting even the slightest imperfection, ensuring unparalleled quality standards. Welcome to the heart of production, where raw sheets meet powerful machinery, ready for their ultimate transformation.
Robotic precision guides each plastic sheet into the thermoforming machine, initiating the intricate molding process. Under the watchful eyes of our experts, the plastic sheet is meticulously heated, reaching the perfect temperature for molding. With exquisite timing, the heated plastic descends into precision molds, where its final form begins to take shape. Vacuum pressure swiftly draws the pliable plastic into every intricate detail of the mold, creating the perfect plate contours. The machine opens, unveiling a perfect sheet of newly formed plates, each a testament to precision engineering. Each plate then begins its gentle cooling process, solidifying its elegant shape and pristine finish. Rows of perfectly molded plates advance, each awaiting the precise trimming that will define its individual form. Precision cutting dies descend, flawlessly separating each plate from its matrix, defining its individual elegance.
Each perfectly cut plate gently transitions to the next stage, ready for careful stacking and further inspection.
Automated arms meticulously stack each plate, creating perfect, uniform columns, ready for the next phase.
Every plate boasts a flawlessly smooth edge, a testament to our unwavering commitment to superior craftsmanship.
Beyond automation, skilled hands perform a final meticulous inspection, upholding our rigorous standards of excellence.
Across our expansive facility, every machine operates in perfect harmony, a symphony of precision and efficiency.
Beneath the surface, intricate mechanisms work flawlessly, a testament to the meticulous engineering that drives our production.
Our molds receive meticulous robotic cleaning, ensuring every plate produced is flawlessly smooth and hygienic.
In our vast automated warehouse, countless plates are meticulously stored, ready for their journey to our customers.
Each stack is meticulously shrink-wrapped, ensuring pristine condition and hygienic protection until it reaches your table. An additional protective lid is meticulously applied, safeguarding each stack for its journey ahead. Automated precision fills each box, ensuring every package is perfectly loaded and ready for shipment. Our branded tape seals each box, a final touch of quality and assurance, ready for its journey. In our vast automated warehouse, countless plates are meticulously stored, ready for their journey to our customers.
Our advanced palletizing robots meticulously arrange each box, creating stable, secure shipments for global distribution.
Here, perfectly palletized products await their journey, a testament to our streamlined and efficient dispatch system.
Each pallet receives its precise shipping label, a critical step in guiding our products to their global destinations. Expert operators carefully transport finished pallets, ensuring safe and efficient movement towards our loading bays. Our meticulously prepared products are now loaded onto trucks, ready to embark on their journey to customers worldwide.
From our advanced facility, our quality plates embark on their global journey, reaching homes and businesses everywhere.
Behold the culmination of precision and quality, our elegantly crafted plastic plate, designed for every occasion.
Its ergonomic design, from subtle curve to refined rim, ensures both comfort and practicality for your enjoyment.
Feel the difference. A flawlessly smooth surface, meticulously crafted for an unparalleled dining experience.
Designed for convenience, our plates stack perfectly, offering elegant solutions for any gathering, big or small.
From elegant dinner plates to versatile appetizer designs, our collection offers a sophisticated solution for every culinary need.
Our plates are the perfect canvas, elevating every culinary creation, ensuring your food takes center stage beautifully.
From intimate dinners to grand celebrations, our plates offer unparalleled elegance and reliability for every catered event.
Gracefully placed, our plates seamlessly integrate into any elegant table setting, enhancing your dining aesthetic.
I'm so glad we finally did this. It's been way too long, hasn't it? We have to do this again next week.
Our plates undergo rigorous stress tests, proving their exceptional resilience and unwavering strength for any occasion.
Experience effortless cleanup. Our non-absorbent plates repel liquids, ensuring a pristine surface after every meal. Designed for convenience, our plates remain cool to the touch, even with hot food, ensuring comfortable handling every time.
Our commitment to innovation drives us to continuously explore new designs, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality.
From digital concepts to tangible prototypes, 3D printing accelerates our innovation, bringing new designs to life swiftly.
Our dedicated team of designers and engineers collaborates tirelessly, refining every detail for superior product performance.
New molds are meticulously crafted using advanced CNC technology, ensuring unparalleled precision for every plate.
From raw steel, our precision molds are sculpted with cutting-edge technology, ensuring the flawless form of every plate.
Each newly crafted mold undergoes stringent inspection, ensuring every contour is perfect, ready for flawless production.
Skilled technicians meticulously install each new mold, aligning every component for optimal plate formation.
With immense power and precision, the thermoforming press engages, initiating the high-pressure molding cycle.
The first plates emerge from the new mold, meticulously inspected by our lead engineers for absolute perfection. Real-time data confirms every plate meets our exacting standards, ensuring consistent, uncompromising quality.
With the new molds seamlessly integrated, our production line operates at peak efficiency, delivering superior plates consistently. Beyond automation, skilled eyes perform a final, meticulous visual inspection, guaranteeing absolute perfection in every plate.
Even the most minuscule imperfection is detected, ensuring only flawless plates meet our exacting quality standards.
Any plate failing our stringent tests is efficiently segregated, upholding our commitment to unblemished quality.
Even rejected plates find new purpose, entering our recycling stream, a testament to our commitment to sustainability.
A final dimensional check ensures every plate adheres to exacting specifications, guaranteeing consistent quality and fit.
With the final seal of approval from our senior quality assurance team, our plates are certified for excellence.
Our plates arrive in elegantly designed, retail-ready packaging, reflecting the premium quality within each box. From cherished family dinners to festive celebrations, our plates seamlessly blend elegance with everyday convenience. Celebrate with confidence. Our plates elevate every festive occasion, combining stylish presentation with effortless enjoyment. Committed to a greener future, our plates are designed with sustainability in mind, offering a responsible choice for you.
Discover the full range of our exquisite plates at our showroom, where elegance meets sustainable design.
Explore our beautifully designed brochures, showcasing the elegance and versatility of our premium plastic plate collection.
Our dedicated sales team passionately shares the story of our plates, forging lasting connections with our valued clients.
Catch our captivating digital advertisements in public spaces, spreading the elegance of our plates worldwide. Joy of unboxing, discovering our pristine plates, beautifully presented, ready to enhance your home dining.
This barbecue is incredible.
I know, right? And these plates are holding up great.
Every plate is a work of art, meticulously captured in our studio, reflecting its inherent elegance and quality.
Our elegant brand logo, a symbol of quality, graces every package, promising a truly premium experience.
Explore our captivating online presence, where our brand story unfolds, inviting you to discover the world of our plates.
Delivered right to your doorstep, our plates arrive safely, ready to elevate your next dining experience.
Cheers, everyone, to a wonderful evening and great food.
From diverse cultures to every corner of the globe, our plates bring people together, enhancing shared culinary experiences. From intimate homes to bustling cityscapes, our brand seamlessly integrates into the fabric of modern life, globally.
Our brand, synonymous with quality and innovation, is dedicated to enhancing your everyday moments beautifully. Discover the full story and exquisite range of our plastic plates. Visit our website today and elevate your experience.